Logo, Beltone. Text, using remote control to turn on the remote control. A hand presses a button on the side. Text, adjusting volume and muting. Hearing aids appear next to the remote while a person presses a button on the front to adjust the volume. They press buttons on each side to adjust the volume on the left and right. Text, change program. They press a button on the right to return to Basic, then Basic 1, then Normal 2, then Basic 1. Text, connect to streaming device. They press a button for TV. Text, adjust volume during streaming. They press the top button, then the bottom button. Text, hearing instrument, mute, unmute. They press a button on the right to mute and unmute. They continue tapping the bottom button, then the side buttons to adjust the volume on each side. Text, turn off the remote control. They press a button on the side,